Hello everyone, welcome back to LuLu Cooking channel. I'm really happy and excited to be back here as usual. So today I'm gonna show you guys how to make one of my dad's favorite dish, and it's called beef noodle soup. So I got the ingredients ready and we're gonna start in a moment. I will show you what I did the go there. Okay, the niya ikama biakli tao taka amila khoswe ne akara yapana or we ma body yika ma. So I'm gonna show you guys some of the spices that we will need for our satchel. So this is to start anise. The konyaklo korba mana kaloga jemala nakamana moon of fernama. I gave it. This is the coriander seed nana biakli. This is the cinnamon stick. I gave it go pay yapa kopya. This is cloves. Cloves ne you know who yamoi pa dia kola poko mama. This is the funnels. Give it a yakorba mo konyaklo dana kawa kaloga chemo. This is the black cardamom. Okay. I also gonna need some other spices, but this is all you need for your satchel. And I got that no more like a peanut, no more coseno pelamo, the muchu the Now I'm gonna show you guys how to make your satchel. We're gonna add all this spice together. We're gonna toast them to get the aroma of the spice. I gave it a can more than a mukala ypiamo can more wake up a kulo the chepo more way kulo chevakan get on the moon can get never done more woman. Our spices are ready to put in a satchel, so we're gonna put them in a tea bag. I got a canomo william up a pinna that de boo boo pajama did up a pinna at a cosoti at the one more. And then we're gonna tie them up a jitty or jamadi at the lino a cosoti a clap. I could open a pinna of a. So we're gonna go over other stuff that we will need with our fern noodle. I gave a pagama question of Pulumalabaga Purgamata that garlic. I gave it a some people use ginger instead of garlic, but I use garlic. I have to ginger more than I gave to onions. Cut into a thin slice like this. I wrap a thin water and a lime, banana, nanabe, cilantro, basil, onions again. Cut them in a big chunk like this. It's gonna go into your soup. Jalapeno, I'll give it up. Mehetama, bean sprout, pepper ball. Scallions, you're gonna need some palm sugar. I give it that sugar because the beef soup would take about 1 to 2 days to get the taste that you want. Since we don't have that, I'm gonna use some of the beef broth as well to add the flavor into it. Here, fish sauce. I give it a give it a hot jam fish sauce mom. Salt. Eat that jepo. Your noodles. Soak them in water. And this is really important. We need our beef bones. This is beef neck. This is the only things I can find. Give it a wapiaki jamo. The things that you will need with your pho, I got this, the fried chili paste or the oily chili paste. I get sriracha. I give it a salty sriracha. Hoisin sauce. Instant beef flavor paste if you want to use this. It's your preference. I don't normally see people use this, but my parents, they like to put some of the I think this is shallots. Yes, shallots or like red onions fried in the oil. Give it For your proteins, I use beef. Beef, like cut them into a thin slice like this, and the beef meatball. I give it that protein. Kind of yet do it out with penya or a bubu purjay with a luchimo. Okay, we'll pay luchimo. I already started to add some add some water in my pot, and I'm gonna add some more water in the pot because we're gonna make a large portion for my family. You see the water is not clear anymore because I use this water to boil my beef meatball, but I'm gonna add more water into it. I give it a depending on the team of my claw luchi pa tapos ma awak na tina ti de shi la ba ma awak ba ma luchi la ko bu ne age pina ara ti ma ba la awak ke ye ma ba di ko aga ma your family ko over ma. You're gonna wait until the water boil and you're gonna put your beef bones in there. Ko quality ko color jama wi da na ka pina la wa da na wo pa kri ma. That's it. 15 minutes later, seems like our soup it's almost boiled. It's at a high heat. I give it a share minute before I'm gonna add the beef bone in there. You can pin a lot will pay a fee. Okay, I'm gonna put it on here so it won't splash. I will pin on the other the chip part. A team more. So I'm gonna add the beef broth since like we said earlier, usually take about 1 to 2 days to make the broth, but since we have to make it really quick, I'm just going to use the broth powder, beef broth powder, to give some flavor. And also I'm gonna add some fish sauce, some salt. This big portion. Cái vậy ít xá là nắp tàu đi nó. Mua bẻ có thứ chi cũng mua nó. Palm sugar và cái ít xá chơi nó. Peanut là bơ phê hoa xá nó. Phê hoa xá. Lastly, onions, but they got that. Minutes, so probably less than 10 minutes, and our broth, our soup is nice and boiling, and we're gonna add our szechuan in there. I will give the chili now. Give I will put peanut. Give it no more. Two more. There come no more soup tea more. We don't want to put this for too long because it's going to be too strong. So leave it about maybe like a minute or so. Peanut about the minute. Chú có tôm máu cái đi đâu vậy cả. No more thôi đâu mà phải đi đâu no more cha thôi lâu mà cái đó. And after that, we're gonna take the szechuan out. But you know how to get us more. Okay. Now we are gonna soak your noodles in the hot water for just a few seconds because we don't want it to be too cooked and it won't taste good. Give up a peanut or cassava filetico or glad the chupulama give it up a peanut me away me to let out a weave more. We are done. It looked nice and delicious. We're gonna give it a try. This is delicious. It's perfect.